Hello students, I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. In my previous video, I started lesson 8, the story of soil. Let me recapitulate some of the points of this lesson. In this, I explained you types of soil, topsoil and subsoil. And soil basically of 4 types. What are the types I mentioned? Sand, gravel, clay and loam. And I explain you the meaning of crop rotation, right? Example also I have given you, if rice is grown in a plot of land in 1 year, then next year peas or vegetables are grown in the same plot. This helps to maintain the fertility of the soil. And activity 1 I ask you to do at home. How is soil formed? Today I am going to explain you protection of soil. Have you observed the soil during heavy rain? You might have seen the soil getting washed away. It is very important to protect the topsoil. Very important to protect the topsoil. Protecting the soil from erosion is called soil conservation. What is soil conservation means? You should be ready with this answer. Protecting the soil from erosion is called soil conservation. Got it? Now, I am going to explain you activity 2. You should be ready for doing this at home. How can you protect the soil? Take 2 boxes. Here in this picture you can see 2 boxes as shown in the figure. Fill this with soil and press the soil a little. Got it? So what is the procedure of this activity? Fix some plants and grass in one box, only one box. Here it's showing. Place one edge of the box, each box, on a log of wood. Pour some water from the upper side of the boxes. What do you see? You can see clearly soil from which box getting washed away and why. Here, the first box which have grass and all, from that box the soil will not pass away. Got it? The next box. So you can see clearly first box is which is holding grass and all, and the next box only with filled with soil, that box. So which box is saving soil here? The box which holds grass and all, the box in which grass or else the plants planted. Let me explain you why. Soil erosion can be stopped by planting trees, grass, etc. Cutting down the trees must be stopped. And one more point here, children. Animals should not be allowed to graze in a field for a long time. G-R-A-Z-D, graze. Let me show you the pronunciation.
Graze.
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 Graze. Meaning of graze is what here? Of cattle, sheep, etc. eat grass in a field. Got it? So in activity 2, it's explaining that how to protect the soil, and that too topsoil. Soil erosion can be stopped by planting trees, grass. In second activity, you can see clearly and do this activity at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.